If you need to produce more products, you may not need to buy another CNC machine to increase your production capacity. Quickly expanding your productivity is fast and easy with a CNC machine tending robot. Not only does the robot optimize cycle time for that CNC machine, but you can run more jobs with much less labor. You come down that cost curve very quickly. With the robot, you can run jobs after hours. Some call it Twilight manufacturing, others call it lights out manufacturing. Everyone calls it highly profitable. Before you leave, load the parts table with raw parts, program the robot, hit the green button, and leave. When you come back, the job will have run. Experts say the average spindle utilization is around 34%. Run one 4-hour job after hours, 5 days a week. Your spindle utilization looks like it's gone through the roof. Don't take our word for it. Ask our customers. They're the ones who do this all the time. To discover more about how CNC machine tending robots can help your machine shop thrive, call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.